Sample recovery is relevant if the particles are very difficult to obtain. The sample can therefore be of great value and very useful for further experiments. A sample can be recovered with both the Z-NTA and the NTA-Cell Assembly. To recover the sample with the Z-NTA cell assembly, you must first unscrew the check valve. Then, inject your sample as usual. It is important that the syringe remains plugged in after the injection and during the measurement. After the measurement has been carried out, you can draw the sample back into the syringe. Sample recovery by using the NTA cell assembly is more flexible than with the Z-NTA cell assembly. There are two ways for recovering your sample after a measurement has been done. Attach the supplied silicone hose to the check valve of the outlet. After the measurement, fill the syringe with air, connect it to the inlet and force the air into the cell to collect the sample in a suitable container. Remove both check valves before you start a measurement. Fill the measuring cell completely by injecting about 1 milliliter of your sample. The best way to do this is by using a 1 milliliter syringe. If you observe liquid at the outlet, you know that the cell is completely filled. After injecting, leave the syringe plugged in. After you finish the measurement, draw the sample back into the syringe. The sample can now be used for other experiments.
It's easy peasy.